Hey guys, so I just got in from work and my coffee is still sitting here from this morning. I am so tired of being under the weather, right? I can't function. I left the coffee here, when I remembered it? When I was on the train this morning. So, girl, oh my goodness. Look at Kara. Look at Syd.
Look at Syd.
Every day, she wants to get on like the first or second step, and she won't go any further. Oh my goodness. We're just gonna take a little bit of a longer walk. It's very nice, little milder, right? So I'm just gonna spend a little bit of time with her more out here, just to get that fresh air. Look at her. I'm in the dining room. Oh my goodness. So I pulled out the basket from the coat closet, right? So this is the basket that holds all the upcoming season good, right? That I've been shopping from on the home channel. And yeah, so it's just easily accessible for me. Everything is in one spot. I know where it is and I'm good to go, right? So I started pulling some things out from Target, and I know I had this in there, so I wanted to get this out. Oh my goodness, just from being sick, it's set me back, but I need to give myself some grace. So yes on that. So I just want to see, because it's been weeks with me putting things in here, so I kind of forgot what went in there in the beginning. You know what I mean? Pretty proud of myself, not too crazy. So a couple things from Target, a couple things from Dollar Tree, one or two from TJ Home Goods, right? And that's it. So yes on the basket. I think this is so pretty. It's perfect. Throw some eggs in there, carrots, whatever. It's simple decor, I feel like, right? So yes on that. That was Target, I feel like. And so was this. Every time I see this, I think of that Aldi wreath on my door with those birds, and they were in the bag, in the gazebo. Oh my goodness, the mom. Oh, it was a whole thing. So yeah, and then these pillows, right? No face, but some bunny butts rocking from Target. Love that on the ears. That is from Home Goods, I feel like, and I think this is perfect right for the dining room table. It's big enough to go right in the center, maybe throw something else in a bigger vase or something. But yeah, that is perfect. I see I got a little theme going on, right? With the neutrals and things, but I still have bins of Easter, right? So yes on that. But yeah, so this was all the stuff. Kara picked these out at Dollar Tree. Some of these, right? This is fire from Target. That's really pretty. All I keep thinking about is eggs going in, right? Some bunny butts, and then yes on the new mug. I only picked up one, but this was a must-have. If you guys have been rocking for a minute, me and the bunny butts are a thing. So yes on that. And over here with the St. Patty's rocking, right? The wreath is fire. I think I'm gonna just throw this. You hear Hershey tearing up something? Hold on. Okay, I'm back. So yes on the wreath, right? So I feel like this is probably going to go on the pantry door. It's big, it's perfect. And most of the St. Patty's is just going to be in the kitchen. That is where we congregate, right? So that is perfect. It doesn't need to be in here in the living room. You know what I mean? I grabbed this Irish cream. That is so cute. I forgot I picked this up. Oh my goodness. So yes on that. So yeah, this is what's new rocking. So I have one St. Patty's bin. I'll see what's going on in there. Spread some things throughout. And yeah, I just want to be basic, kind of bringing my black and white back out and things. So yeah, we'll see how everything turns out. So I told Kara last night. Oh my goodness. So I told Kara last night that we were going to move some ducks. Oh, Hershey must have got to this one. Yeah, we need to clean up in here. So that's exactly why I wanted to do it too. I want to move the ducks in here. I feel like, well, she did it. She put some of the ducks over. So yes on that. Thank you.
You're welcome. Nice and neat.
Yes, nice and neat. Oh my goodness. I thought she forgot. Over here in Miss Sydney girl's room. So they're all set up.
Okay.
Okay. They're all ready?
Yes.
Well, where's Hershey?
He's our bed. Yes.
All right. Everybody's all dressed, right? Like they going to the club. But they're all ready for bed.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
There's the new one I just grabbed from the Dollar Tree from Wish, right? Asha, isn't that her name?
Yes. I saw that at the movie.
Yeah,
yes.
the movie. Mm-hmm.
Yes.
She's so funny. So I had hubby bring in the bin for St. Patty's. This is it. I love it. Very, very neat, put together. This is all I'm rocking for St. Patty's. But yeah, so just a couple things. I was trying to see because I do want to throw these out. Like I feel like I can definitely mix this with a little bit of spring. You know what I mean? Because of the greenery. So yeah, I just wanted to see what was rocking in here. Yeah, you know what I mean? Like, just throw this on, right? Here's a couple signs. Throw these over, right, by the stove and things, over the rainbow. I got some legs, some leprechaun legs, rocking in here. So, yeah, okay. Salt and pepper shakers is going on. Yeah, a little bit of greenery. Oh, I love these. Did I pick these up last year? These are definitely Dollar Tree. Oh, nice, because they have the gold on the clovers. Get out of here. I forgot about those. I like those better. I probably had them mixed together, maybe. So yeah, so I see some Nomies down there, some mugs and everything. Love the baby candies. The shamrocks is here. Here's a shamrock mug. I don't think I'm going to do the mug holder. I think, oh, that's my birdhouse. Oh, nice. That's pretty perfect for right now. I'm trying to bring that back in, right? That spring. So yes, on the birdhouse. I probably won't use things like this. You know what I mean? Yeah, let me see what's down here. Actually, I'm going to pull out what I feel like I may use and put it on a coffee bar. Hey guys, good morning. I am completely obsessed with these Disney Doorables. Oh my goodness. I went insane. I just went straight down the rabbit hole. And me and the bestie been grabbing all the Doorables, trying to complete all the collections. And they're expensive. But to find them at the Dollar Tree, fire. So I've been on this mad hunt. I've been a mad woman. Oh my goodness. But the collections are coming together. I grabbed duplicates of some. So I'm like, ugh. She got duplicates of some things. We traded, right? So she had something I didn't. And it's just been so fun. So let me show you. Let me show you what I got so far. So this is series 6, right? And each little packet comes with these, right? So the little book, so you can see what you got. So, oh my goodness, I've been having so much fun. So I circled the ones that I already have. So they have the limited edition ones like Dumbo, Pinocchio, Minnie, and Mickey, right? And it just goes from there. So Alice in Wonderland, The Little Mermaid. If I don't find these villains, right? Raya and the Last Dragon. Is it Raya or Raya? And Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. Absolutely a must. Winnie the Pooh. Oh my goodness. Winnie the Pooh, Peter Pan, and the princesses, right? So you can see the ones, I circled. So I have all of these so far, right, on this side. And then on this side, I have these. I got Tiana last night. I got Tiana last night. I am obsessed. I got her last night, so I need Queen of Hearts and the Mad Hatter for Alice in Wonderland, right? I need Ursula to complete the Little Mermaid, and those are the ones I'm like really close with. I need a few more of the dwarfs, right? And I need Tigger. So the bestie got Tigger when I got Tiana. So we were happy for each other, but we still need what the other one has, right? So she needs Tiana, I need Tigger. And that'll be the complete. Oh my gosh, I got all the princesses. I need to circle Tiana. Yes, I didn't even realize. And I need Captain Hook. So I need these villains, right? So, oh my goodness, I got Wendy. So I need one more for Peter Pan. It's just been so fun. So let me show you the actual, little Doorables. If you didn't see them in the Dollar Tree already, they come like this in a box. I've been finding them up front. I've been finding them in the toy section. And like with the Easter stuff now, I feel like if I don't get them now, they're gonna go. But yes on these, right? And then it's only one that comes in here and it's $1.75. Girl. But it's my new obsession and I need to have them all. They're so cute. So let me just show you a couple. Look at Flounder. Oh my goodness, Flounder is here. One of the dwarfs is here, Eeyore. So all of Winnie the Pooh, that collection is, I think they call it flocked. It's kind of like that furry kind of, feeling on there, but they're so cute. Oh my goodness. Look at Cindy rocking. That is adorable. This is adorable. Doorables, yes. Oh my goodness. Yes, on Tiana. I don't want to show them all to you. It's so many. I think it's 45 in series 6, right? So I just got this one last night. I was floored. I was floored. Oh my goodness. So I have the bags, right? So I think what I'm going to do, these numbers down here, right at the bottom, I think I'm going to just put them all together, screenshot it, or, take a pic. That way I can see what I have. So when I go into the store, I'm not buying more duplicates. You know what I mean? I feel like that makes sense a little bit, right? So I think that's what I'm going to do. And that way I'll have those codes and I know, not to pick that one up. Miss Girl, look at Tinkerbell. You better stop it on that. Wait a minute. Look at Ariel. Oh my goodness. Look at Alice. Alice in Wonderland. These are so darn cute. Oh my goodness. I am so excited. This is making me so happy. So I'm going to put them on here, I feel like. Because they're so tiny, I feel like I could put each group, you know what I mean, on here. And that's going to be so cute. I can't wait to show you when I'm done. I hope it fits them all. Look at Winnie the Pooh. Oh my goodness, look. How cute is that? I cannot wait. Girl, I gotta go. Oh my goodness, I can't wait. So I'm gonna put it together, you guys, and show you, but I am so excited. All right, let me put this up. Grab my train. I don't have any nails on now, but when I come home, I'm gonna throw these on. I just grabbed them from the Dollar Tree, so I'm gonna see how they rockin'. I manicured my nails last night, so I am good to go. All right, I gotta go. Miss Kara girl was a little bit anxious, so I decided to take them both just to get some of that out, you know what I mean? And yeah, sometimes it's a little hard for my baby girl, but this is exactly what she needed. So yes on that. Look at her. Sydney is so funny, and they play games and yeah, just kind of a decompress, you know what I mean? And they need this, especially Kara. So yes on that.
Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home.
Yes, on Chicago. I knew I had it. I found it when I was out there in the garage looking for the St. Patty's stuff for hubby to bring in. So I'm going to throw it in the Playbill book. Yes. All right. I'll see you soon. Bye.